Let's get back to David and Lisa for a minute and try to analyze the situation. The reason for the lack of success is threefold. First, they don't know what they do. In short, they lack knowledge. Second, they don't know why they do what they do. In short, they lack a strategy. And third, their actions are driven by their emotions. In short, they lack discipline. The good thing is that now that we know the reasons for David and Lisa's problems, we can come up with a solution. If the lack of knowledge, strategy and discipline is the root cause for the problem, by simple logic, the existence of these three things will make the problems go away. If David and Lisa know what they do, have knowledge, know why they do what they do, have a strategy and keep on doing it, have discipline, they will become successful investors. And what is true for David and Lisa is true for anyone. You too can become a successful investor if you have knowledge, strategy and discipline. Since the goal is to make you a successful investor, knowledge, strategy and discipline will be the three main sections of this course. We will start with knowledge, where you learn the most important investing concepts. Next, we will move on to strategy, where you learn to apply these concepts to your specific situation. We will finish off with discipline, where you learn how you can keep your strategy on track over time. So how are we going to learn about these three things? Well, I have some good and some bad news for you. I'll tell you more in the next video.